It's the time of the year again, and this time round I'm going to review 7 best online businesses for you to start in year 2022. Some of the online business ideas that I'm going to introduce today are going to be in trend, easy to start for beginners, as well as low in startup cost. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to share 7 online business ideas that you can start in the year 2022. The first one on the list is something that I'm very interested to talk about and I'm very excited to talk about, which is selling on TikTok. You can sell anything on TikTok, be it products or services. I've seen a very big trend on TikTok whereby even dropshippers sell their e-commerce products on TikTok, and the result is incredible. Being on TikTok platform for a year, I've noticed that as compared to YouTube, TikTok is easier to get viral videos, and that is why it is easy for you to create a video on TikTok and make it viral. Overall, I feel that TikTok is a very good organic platform if you are selling something. The chance of getting your video to go viral is very high, especially if your product is something very interesting. So this is how I see how TikTokers are promoting their products on TikTok. The easiest way to create a video for TikTok if you are selling a product on TikTok is just to show how you use the product. So you just need to demonstrate how you use the product. So for example, if let's say I'm promoting this hair clip, I'm just going to demonstrate a few ways how I can use this hair clip. So one tip I have for you if you are trying to grow on TikTok is to have very consistent posting. When you are first starting out, you need to post like every single day, and sometimes you even need to post several videos in one day. TikTok platform has many features that makes it very easy for sellers to manage TikTok stores. It is also the latest tech company to introduce in-app shopping features that will allow users to purchase products directly from merchants. Users will also able to tag products in TikTok posts and link directly to where the items can be purchased. Here is an example of a TikTok account that sells e-commerce products. So this Sugar.Republic is actually selling phone cases. So the whole store is just selling $15 phone cases. One thing good about TikTok account is that you can have a direct link to your store on your profile. So as you can see, once I click here, it directly brings me to the e-commerce store. The second online business idea is my favorite because it helps to create passive income, and that is to design and sell digital products. So what type of digital products that you should sell, and which are the ones that are sellable right now? One of the popular digital products that I see right now will be the low content books, which includes journals, planners, as well as activity books. The reason why selling digital products is one of my favorite online business to start is because you just need to create the product once and then you can resell it over and over again. Basically, these are all just digital downloads. So you just need to design and you have the soft copy on your computer. The next thing to do is just upload to the platform. So 2 platforms that I like to use. Number 1 is the Etsy.com, whereby you can sell all your digital products over there. The second place will be Amazon Kindle Self-Publishing. Basically, what you need to do is to design the digital product, for example, a journal, and then upload to Amazon KDP, and Amazon will help you to print out the book. This is very similar to print-on-demand business, whereby you design the print and then the supplier will help you to print it on the merchandise. So the merchandise can be t-shirts, mugs, towels, and many more. The third online business idea is to start a sustainable e-commerce store. Environmental sustainability has been a huge topic in recent years, and recently I see a rise in sustainable e-commerce stores. This is because environmental sustainability can benefit your online store and help raise your brand awareness because you are doing a part in contributing to a more sustainable planet. One good example is Tesla. Tesla builds not only all electric vehicles but also infinitely scalable clean energy generation. Their mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. That is a car business, but how about e-commerce? Here are some ways you can start a sustainable e-commerce store. Number one is by sourcing and selling only non-toxic, environmentally friendly products. Number two is reduce packaging or use only eco-friendly, reusable, recycled material for packaging. Number three is use paperless invoicing. Number four is develop recycling policies. Number five is offer discount or reward to customer who recycle. Online business idea number four is to start a freelancing business. I know that freelancing is nothing new, but there are certain skills that are very in demand right now. This is because there are many businesses that are actively outsourcing these skills. The skills that I'm referring to are the graphic designer, copywriter, social media manager, web designer, as well as virtual assistant. Since working remotely is a new normal right now, many businesses do not hire full-time staff anymore. It is much more cost efficient if you hire a freelancer instead. If you have a good social media skills, then you may want to try to be a social media manager as a freelance business. Being a social media manager is a very lucrative business because you have a very high potential of securing a recurring income, and you can charge each client minimally $1,000 per month. However, if you have no skill to start a freelancing business, then you may want to consider my fifth online business idea, which is to start a job servicing business. So what is job servicing? Job servicing is selling online or web services, but the job is going to be outsourced to a freelancer. It is very similar to the freelancing business that I've just mentioned. The only difference is you are the middleman or the project manager and you oversee the whole project instead of doing the actual work. And of course, you are also the marketer, whereby you need to promote the services. And then once you secure the service, you are going to engage freelancer to do the job for you. So once the freelancer have completed the job, then you need to fulfill the order and forward the job to your client. Another difference is a freelancer usually just promote one type of service. However, in job servicing business, you can promote different types of services under one agency. The type of agency that you can set up will be the creative agency, digital marketing agency, digital agency, and social media agency. I have a 2-hour job servicing tutorial that you can watch. I will leave a link up here as well as down in the description box below. The next online business idea I have is to be a content creator. You can choose one platform to start creating content on. If you like to create video content, then you can go on YouTube or TikTok. If you like to create content with a lot of pictures, then you can go on Instagram. So the question is, how do you monetize these social media platforms? The first way is to be hired by brands to create content for them. You can charge $1,000 per month per client for helping them to create contents. The price will go up according to the number of contents that you are providing to them. The next way to monetize on social media platforms is by growing your followers and promote affiliate products. This is what I call it affiliate marketing. Find something that you like to talk about, for example, fitness or interior design or even food, and find related brands that are offering affiliate commissions. The seventh online business idea that you can start in the year 2022 is to be an online coach. Find a skill or topic that you're very passionate about and you know that this topic can help people, and that is how you can start to be an online coach yourself. I started online coaching and offering very affordable online courses on dropshipping, and it has helped many beginners to start their very own online business from home. Before I start being an online coach myself, I attended many online courses to improve my skills. Some of the popular topics that I stumbled upon are fitness, nutrition, social media, parenting, weight loss, investing, and business. This is a very meaningful online business to create because it can impact many people's lives. The key points to a successful online business coach is, firstly, you need to have the passion in that topic. Secondly, you yourself are actually doing it. And number 3, you find success in that topic itself. So these are my top 7 online business ideas for you to start in the year 2022? Which are the ones that you want me to talk more in my future videos? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!